Hello, in this video I will explain the question. This is a question. You have given a Python list. Write a program to find value 20 in the list, and if it's existing, replace it with the value 200. First of all, Python list, what is the meaning of Python list? Python list in Python is like array. Is an array, already is array. What is array? Array is a data structure that can contain several values. It's a memory location. In programming, we have two types of memory locations. The first type is variable, the second type is array. Variable can contain one value at the same time, but array can contain several values in the same time. The difference between variable and array is like the difference between house and building. The house can contain only one family, but the building can contain several families, but in the same location. They are taking the same area of the land. Okay, now how to the question, they are just giving me how to define a list in array. Just write the name of the list equals and put the elements of the list. Okay, the expected output, this is the list. So the expected the program what will do, will search for the element 20. This is the element 20, and replace it with 200. So the output will be like this, the same list, but instead of 20 there is 200. Okay, how to solve it? This is the answer. First of all, we define the list. We name it list 1. You can name it list 1, x, y, z, list 2, list 3, list x, any name, and then put the elements. Secondly, in any list in Python there is a built-in function called index. This function index takes a parameter input value. This input value is a value, and function what will do, this function will search for this value in the list and give us return back the index of this value. So it will search where is 20. Oh, I will find 20. I will return back the index of 20. What is the index in list? Index is the address of the element. The elements of list have addresses. These elements have addresses. The address of the first element always is 0. Address of the second element is 1, because the first element is 0, so the second is 1, the third is 2, and etc. So the last element, the index of last element will be the count of the elements minus 1. So what is how many elements here? 7 elements. So the index of the final element is 6. Okay, now this function will return back the index of 20. What is the index of first 20? So whenever the program finds 20, will return the index of it. What is the index of it? 3. So it will return back the value 3 and put it in the variable index. Now we have put it in the variable index. After that, list index. List 1. This is the list that we have defined it. When you put list 1 and then after it two brackets, between brackets we put a number. This number is the address of the element. So when we say list 1, we mean that this element, the element of the index 1, 10. When we say list 0, so we mean the element with the index 0, which will be 5. So now here we are saying list, and between brackets the value of index. The value of index is 3, because the index here we put it 3. So it's list 3 equals 200. So we put it the value 200 where in list 3, in the fourth element of a list. This is the fourth element in the list, so we have put inside it the value 200. Deleted this and put it the value of 200. After that, we make it a print for the value of list of this list one. So it will be, the output will be like this. And this is it. And thank you very much.